Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkoya, aka Ndinaija. Ja. Hello people, it's been a while since I saw you guys. I'm here to open my OhSoPaper box for January? February? I think I've lost count of the days. But it's always exciting to see a new box. So since I am very late with opening this box, I've seen a couple of the items on Instagram or on the Instawebs, whatever you want to call it. But this is what was in the box. We have the stickers, and I believe this is the goal planner. We have the, let's look at it first. Goals. Yes, so this is the goal planner. It's got stickers at the front. 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. We have January to December. And we have 1 through 10. Goal. And a few more things. Oh, these dashboards. Love yourself. I love it. What's the second one? The second one is, oh, man, I love these. I love these so much. So much. This looks like a place you would put the date. I like the colors, subtle. I don't like that there are no lines. The paper is gorgeous. It is not the blinding white, and it is thick. You hear that? Thick. All right. So I guess this would be where you would put the goal. These would be where you would put the steps, motivation, and random things. I'm not exactly sure. Or you could use these as daily pages. I think I would like to use this as daily pages. It's open. There are no labels, so you can do whatever you would like with this section or with these pages. And in the second section here, I see that it's different. Okay. So you have what would look like, maybe you can, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So this looks like it would be for a week. I think this would be for a day. I'm not sure. Maybe this would be the visions, the goals as they change. But this is definitely a daily page or a weekly overview page. So you would write, or you would have Monday through Sunday, or maybe 7 things you want to do. And you have the nice to-do list area. This looks like a habit tracking area. It's really open to use for whatever you want, but you would definitely write the date there. You could put some nice washi in there. And it's front and back, and it's the same all the way through. So we should have some stickers to complement this. This is the magnet for the month. Gorgeous. Monthly sticker. Love yourself. I love the colors that are used. The postcard. Oh, and okay, let's see. This is the February box. Thank you, Danielle. Stickers are Meninista Danya, Zuri, Blythe, or Blith, don't know how to pronounce that. Ashton, Adrienne, Everyday Girl, Octavia, Stay In Functional, Mani Petty Functional. And you have these that you could get on the website, which is OhSoPaper.com, right there. Love Yourself collection. That includes personalized notepads, notebooks, and personalized note cards, which are these. And if you're a subscriber, you have coloring books, sticker sheets, and subscriber-only freebies. I need to log into my subscription section to see what we have. So this is Danya. Danya's a workout girl. Ooh, love her. Ashton, Zuri, Blythe. I hope that's how it's pronounced. The fashions. I love it. And those. Let's see where your stickers would fit. Okay, this would fit. Not quite. But those could fit in your regular planner. Be your own reason to smile. We have 5 sticker sheets here. Oh, man. 1, 2, Self-Love Club. Be your own reason to smile. No one is you, and that is your superpower. I love it. And more Note to Self, the Everyday Girl. Oh, Women's History Month. And this is now the beginning of March. Yes. I like how she gives you, some time ahead. Women's History Month, World Compliment Day, Daylight Savings Time, and St. Patrick's Day. And more box stickers. What are these? Self-Love Club. I love this. So this is the box, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below what you think, and welcome me back to YouTube. It's been a long time. But sometimes that's how it is when you're going through a transition. So I will see you guys later. Bye.